Ready to ditch fiat and dive into the future of finance using the platform you already trust? First, ensure you have a verified PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the Buy and Sell Crypto section, typically found on your dashboard or in the Finance tab. Here, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. PayPal usually offers a selection of popular options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Browse the list and select the cryptocurrency you're interested in buying. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to purchase, specifying the amount in your local currency. PayPal will display the equivalent cryptocurrency amount and any applicable fees before you confirm. Review the details carefully, making note of the exchange rate and transaction costs. After confirming your purchase, you'll receive a confirmation screen, and your newly acquired cryptocurrency will be held securely within your PayPal account. Now, to use your crypto for purchases, look for the PayPal button during checkout on participating websites. If you have a crypto balance, PayPal will often present it as a funding option alongside your bank accounts and cards. Simply select your cryptocurrency balance as your payment method, confirm the transaction, and you've successfully used crypto to make a purchase. Explore PayPal's Help Center for more detailed information, and remember to subscribe for more crypto tutorials.